24/7 teachers training. Our lesson by lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 19. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Children from the age of 2 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable, and engaging so that the students put in their best to learn. Let us start with the introduction to number 19. Students should be able to read, write, and represent number 19. Count number 19. Generate a set equal to number 19. Write number 19. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing number 19. Get them ready for the activity. Start the lesson by singing the following number song with children. 19 makes me feel just fine. 19 makes me feel just fine. All you need is a 1 and a 9. All you need is a 1 and a 9. Write number 19 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 19. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 19 cars. 19 cars. 19 cars. 19 cars. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Write number 19. Write number 19 on the board and give instructions. Write 1 and a 9 to make 19. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with number 19. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 19 with the help of dots. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask the children to recognize 19. Reinforcement worksheet of number 19 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.